In this video, I will show you how to get image ID or tags for Roblox on mobile. Open your browser from mobile. In the URL bar, type create.roblox.com. Then hit enter and make sure to log in into your Roblox account. Once logged in, scroll down until you see the Browse the Store. Tap on View Items and wait for it to load. In the menu, swipe to left and look for the Decals tab and tap on it. Select any decal or image you want. Tap on the URL bar at the top of your browser and tap on pen icon. Look for a long string of numbers in the URL, like this. It will be only the numbers without slashes. So that's it. Now you know how to find the image ID or decal ID on Roblox mobile. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.